Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my follow-up video about Jakarta EE Starter and what can we do. I was asked a few questions about injection. So here's video number one in the series, how to do injections in Jakarta EE, dependency injection and testing of such things. First, we're going to go to start.flowlogix.com again to download the WAR. We're going to do a WAR and we're going to download our starter project. Okay, the starter project has been downloaded. Let's unzip it. Unzip. Okay, now we're going to open it with IntelliJ IDEA. Here we are. There we go, on 75. Okay. So first, we're going to create a greeter. So in main, we're going to go ahead and in our starter package, we're going to go and create a greeter class. Okay. So here we go, public class greeter. We're going to create a method called greet. There's AI is very helpful with that. And we're going to go ahead and do a request scoped. So it could be an application scope, it could be a request scope, it could be anything. So here we go. How do we test this? We're going to go ahead and open up our test. We're just going to do it right in the starter IT because why not? So we're going to delete the sanity check because we actually don't need it. So we're going to do test. There we go. He's very helpful. Okay. So let's see, assert that, greeting, beautiful. So this type of an injection doesn't really work, so we're going to do a real injection. Inject, greeter, greeter. We're going to do a field injection because Jakarta likes, this is not how we do. So here we go. Let's see if it works. First of all, let's make it fail and let's see if it fails first. Because, that's how TDD works. Check that out. See if that works. Make it bigger. Oops. Didn't want to print it. And expected hello world, but was hello world X. So let's fix that spelling error and we should be good to go. And we are. So here we are. Let's go back to the test. All we need to do is to inject the greeter here, and we could just go ahead and test it. And it could be application scoped, it could be request scoped, it could be EJB, could be anything. Let's go a little bit of a step further. So let's do an application scope being that's injected from here. So we're going to do greeter dependency. So let's say this is going to be application scoped. And just say getter. There we go. Just say message, fine. So we're going to go ahead and inject inject greeter dependency. We like to make them testable, so package private. And let's go ahead and say plus greeter dependency dot, let's make it a little bit bigger for you guys, get message. Okay, let's see what happens now. Let's test that. And obviously it's not going to match the string, but it should actually work. So expected hello world, and then it was hello world from greeter dependency. So let's change the expected text. Go back to the integration test. Put the expected test in there. And let's retest. And here we are. It all works. Thank you for your attention. Start.flowlogix.com is where you find the starter. And enjoy Jakarta EE.